It is a cool picture.
Was that awesome?
Yeah.
Now we just have to wait a few minutes for a few things.
You want to see Bambi?
All right, so we were able to change our Apollo dinner to Apollo brunch, and we got a tequila tasting. So far, it was good. We had to wait in lines for a few minutes, but now all of that is done, and we're about to go to Oceaneers Club. Ta-da! Hopefully.
We're just sitting on all of
Lounge.
It's fun.
Take it.
Look at us.
Coolest water thing ever. Your hands go in it and it twirls around. It's really cool. Alright, so now we're at the Oceaneers Club. Where do you want to go? Oh, look! I bet you it does more too as the day goes on. I bet you it'll do things.
It's called Andy's room.
Y'all want to go in Andy's room?
She's like dancing.
Yeah, so this is like the toddler room.
Let's look at another room.
Bare necessities. Here, hold on, I wanna. Okay, what else do we got? Kai. Oh, that one's not open just yet. I don't think. This is where you do your arts and crafts and stuff. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Is this all still Oceaneers Club? Yeah, keep going. Keep coming back. Look back here.
Whoa, Kenny! This Kenny!
Yeah.
This is Kenny!
Yes. Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right.
This is like the movie room.
How did we even get here?
We just walk.
How did this happen? Where did Daddy go?
Oh, this coloring, Kenny. How did we
It's the coloring spot.
Oh yeah, we traced.
Remember?
Isn't that cool?
It looks like you can make. Yeah, you can pick.
Yeah. You'll be in here a lot, I have a feeling. Here's another one of those. Oh, here's another arts and crafts studio over here. And then look, these are where you can do the ship. Look.
Let's do this.
Hey guys, you ready to get? Let's go eat and try to find Daddy.
Yeah, change your view to see it different ways. Yeah. Oh, goodness. Yeah, I see.
My boat's pretty real.
Hit the green button. Hit the green button. Hit the green button again. Green button. And then hit the green button. Oh, it's loading. Never mind. Hit the green button.
Whoa.
There you are.
No, I'm on the Disney cruise. This is the Disney cruise. I don't know how to get out of here.
You're in reverse right now. Turn it to the right. Don't turn it too fast.
What do I do? No.
This is a little lounge, media lounge. Okay. Then over here is Pirates Cove. I don't know. I'm guessing you'll watch something. I wonder if they'll do shows or something. Yeah.
Can we hit buttons so that they can Kitty, look. I think we're making our own trip.
Oh, girls, come here. Look at this. It's a 3D hologram thing. Kai's moving things so much. simulators, but they're kind of busy right now.
Yeah.
But those will be fun. This is like Pixie Hollow. Oh yeah. Oh wow. That's cool.
Oh, what's in here?
I don't know.
Mommy, does it
I see. I wonder if it
Activity
opens
packet.
ever.
What is that?
It doesn't
I don't know. I bet you it will for something.
Activities to do?
Yeah. Now we're back in the main hub. What's over here?
What's in here?
I don't know. Superhero Academy. Let's go check that out. Wow. That's huge. This is probably where they have all the like. Doctor Strange is probably going to do something in here. Oh yeah, girls. It looks like that's where characters will come out.
What? This?
Yeah. Oh look, you can change the scenes. Move the knob. See what happens. Oh. Turn it. Yeah.
I took that one.
Oh.
They worked on that. It was a good picture. Now I can get them.
Hey, y'all both get on. Kai, get on that one off.
1, 2, 3.
That is cool.
I think I'm not own.
All right. Y'all want to go get food?
No, I want to still look around.
Did you see the Ant-Man's mask? Okay.
Yeah, I see it. I want to still look around.
All right. That was awesome. We made it to our room, 9530. They don't have the best view yet, though. But here we are.
We have to tie the light.
There's the cruise line port. What would this be called? Their port? Oh yeah.
See that, Kenzie? See the drawbridges going up in the air?
Kai.
We drove over that to get here today, but
Kai, come look at the drawbridge. We ate somewhere over here last night. Worst meal of our lives.
bright, bluish, greenish.
Yep.
Worst meal ever. I've had better meal at high school cafeterias.
Does it just go with us out?
I think so.
Why?
Maybe one on each end. I don't know. Just to make everybody.
Everybody stay away.
Yeah.
Wide
This
load.
big doesn't stop.
Time for swimming. No, don't you even. Don't you even. Don't you even. Y'all are so silly. No!
What? And I was at the end and I was running back and she stopped like half in the middle because I was turning her and she ran back and just like
You were a cheater, pumpkin eater?
They
Disney Fantasy, and this is just a quick reminder about this exclusive signing and show times. And a quick announcement about these announcements, actually, as this will be the last time we do the announcements inside your single Cruise Cruise. I know that we wanted to hold this cruise down, well, probably some pretty
Should be starting soon, girls.
You're all here to see the pumpkin tree. Why, you do know what a pumpkin tree is now, don't you? Don't you? Why, this is a pumpkin tree. It's a very special kind of tree, you see. And look at all the beautiful pumpkins. Closely, the pumpkins on this tree are not mere pumpkins, no. From your imagination. But it isn't quite finished yet. It needs one more thing. To make it up. And I have a particularly a spooky one to share. My favorite, the legend of Sleepy Hollow. One cold October night, a certain Dutchman by the name of Ichabod Crane was heading to his home in the hollow nearby. Suddenly, before the star to rise, a white mist, a mysterious light, rise from the ground of the cemetery. He stopped, his heart pounding in fear. Before his star to rise, that white mist burst forth from the unlocked grave and born into a large horse carrying a headless rider. As they watched, a great flaming pumpkin towards him. Oh. Ichabod was never to be seen again. The horseman continues to roam the roads of Tarrytown every night, from that day to this. Now, lucky for us, the horseman can't swim. Or can he? With the perfect spooky atmosphere, I think it's the perfect time to wake up the pumpkin tree. Spirit of the pumpkin tree, the biggest we've ever seen. Wake up and talk to us. It's time for Halloween. Wake up, everyone, say it with me.
Greetings, my fresh faces and innocent eyes. You are all here for fun and surprise. So rise up your voices. Let me hear a loud scream, for that is what is needed to summon Halloween.
Everyone scream!
I sense your foreboding, your sense of dread. Give me a laugh to rattle the dead. The Halloween spirits are close, this I can feel. Scream, trick or treat, and let's finish the deal.
Everyone, 1, 2, 3.
The power of nightmares unseen. Bring them to life. It's
Would you like to see something strange? Come with and you will see. It's a world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween. This is Halloween. Pumpkin scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween. Everybody gets in This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Halloween, 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 Halloween. It's Halloween. Everyone head to the pumpkin.
Yeah.
This tree is here because of you and your imagination. So whenever you feel scared of a ghost or something under your bed, just use your imagination. You'll be safe.
Happy Halloween!
Name?
I don't want you to.
Hold on, and we gotta look. We got Ghirardelli chocolates. We got a
She's
swan.
got a ladder in her closet.
Oh yeah. And the beds are made. Look how cute.